Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ay, makapiright ka sa ate? Ay, talaga raw.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Wow, thank you.
Oh, make a wish daw.
Thank you, Akpay.
Ay, Korean.
Thank you so much. I did not expect na dagayan ti cake ko talaga ni Jason.
Pwede ba kanya lang to share tayo? Birthday na ni Kalman.
Hindi Kalman.
Ay, birthday na.
Birthday ko nga December 5. So, may so na kayo. Thank God. Moyo, tibiyag tayo kit talagang life is too short.
Yeah.
So in everything give thanks. Tatanga bakit akong kit. Adangay Jay ko na ay kailangan ni i-celebrate ko tagpasalamat ako ni Apo Diyos ta ikanak pa iti apatid dog. Di ba dear wish ko di Rabi kita I want to live 59 years more. Kasi di nag 60 ak ti wish ko kay ni Apo Diyos I want to live 120. Kaya yun, Lord.
Amen.
Kasi kay ni Apo Diyos, di ba?
Yeah.
So I want to live 59 years more.
Okay, blow your candle. How young ate?
61.
61.
Wow, ay,
61.
Still.
Still young.
Still
Still
young.
young.
Thank you.
Ay, dito ko, nandito ko di.
Walang tingting.
Walang
Oo, yun, di ba?
Ado kita ni baso yung idikit mo tayo video.
Send yun to.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers! I want to express my thanksgiving to Jason. Thank you that I reach home safe and sound. Thank you for your invitation to be in your house. Thank you for the cake. You surprised me. I did not expect that I blown a cake. So thank you so much. Thank you to Jonalyn, Helen, Juvie, Diane, and thank you for Marisa for giving me this tumbler. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love to me. I cannot repay it, and it's my prayer that God will bless you more. Long life and a fulfilled life. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you soon again. And also to your friend, your housemate. Sino ba yung katabi ko kanina? I forgot the name. Sorry. Thank you so